Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
No, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. Good. Thank you, Dilip. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Any doubt with yesterday's topic? Any doubts? We'll go on the next one. Okay. So I'm just giving you one question from yesterday's topic. Once you get the answer, I hope my screen is visible. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just sharing one question. Let's try to solve it. It's just a continuity of yesterday's. Okay. Here's the question. Are you able to see the question? Try to get the answer. So we'll go on with the next one. Is the question visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you get the answer? Or can you solve it? Am I audible? 98. Okay. So what is the pen's profit or loss percentage overall?
Loss.
Loss. How many percentage of loss?
12%.
Yep. Amarachi?
I think 12% loss.
Okay. Fine. So A buys it for 100 rupees and he is sold to B with 10% profit. So his cost price is 110 and he is selling it, 10% profit, and B is selling it to C with 20% loss. So 20% means 22. Yep. So divided by 100 into 20. So it is 22 rupees loss. So 22 rupees loss means 110 minus 22. He paid only that much. So that's gonna be overall, um,
88.
yeah, it's gonna be 88. So overall loss would be
11%, sir.
88. 100 minus the 88.
11% loss, I think.
100 minus 88 is 11.
Yes, sir.
No, 12.
Oh.
100 minus 88. So
Oh,
12
sorry.
percentage. So it is 12% less. That means 12% loss. The same thing we can do it in the other way. That is 10% profit minus 20% loss plus 10 of minus 20 whole divided by 100. So in this case, it's like L plus B plus LB by 100. What we did for the rectangle or the other type of questions, L plus B plus LB by 100. In this method, we have to get the direct answer. So it's 10 minus 2 is minus 10. Minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. That means 12%. It's loss. Okay, yeah. Abu, their answer is right. Abhilash answer is right. Zishan, I think you would have missed out in this subtraction. Okay, can I give you the next one? Any doubts with this question? Do you want me to overgo again with the same? Or shall you go on with the next one?
It's clear.
Yes, William.
Please take it again. Sorry.
I'm sorry, Rita, can you be louder? I think I'm not able to hear you clearly.
Okay, I said please take it again. Just a recap, please.
Rita?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it? Yeah, do you have any doubts?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay, so so you were in the yesterday's class?
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry, on the day before yesterday's class?
No, sir.
No, okay. See, I have it's like 3 person, so that is A, B, and C. There are 3 members. So A is buying a pen. So when I say buying a pen, that means he is purchasing it. He purchased it for 100 for somebody. Okay. Now he is selling it to the next person with 10% profit. So what do you mean by profit? Is he selling it for more or selling it for less?
Okay.
Is he selling it for more or less? When I say 10% profit,
He selling
is
more, please.
Selling more.
more. So he's selling for 10% more. So what is 10%? What is 100's 10%? Or what is 10% of 100?
It's 100 plus 10.
Yes. So 100 plus 10. So 100's 10% is 10. So he's selling it for 10 rupees more. So B purchased it for 110. So this is B's purchase power, or we can call it as cost price or purchase, or he is buying. Okay. Now B bought it for 110 and now he is selling it to C with 20% loss. So what is 20% of 110? what is 20% of 110? Yeah, 22. So he's selling it for 22 rupees less from whatever he has purchased. He has purchased for 110 rupees and he's selling for 22 rupees less. So now what is the new price? He bought it for 88. So the first person bought it for 100. The last person is buying it for 88. So the overall, the pen was being sold from A to C with profit or loss.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Dilip.
Loss.
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 Selling
I'm sorry, Dilip.
how to sell
22%.
plus B plus L to B.
Yeah, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. Okay. So in this, from 100 to C, it is 88. That means 12% loss. Got it right? Rita, are you clear with this method?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just give
Yes,
you the
sir.
second method. That is L plus B. So what's there in that way is you'd have had a question to do it based on a rectangle. So that is, for example, if a rectangle has, I think already we have done the same, length and breadth, it's been increased by 10% and 20%. For this, we'll be using a logic length plus breadth plus the corners have been calculated as LB by 100. Okay, this one we can use it for this question also. Okay, so L means length and B means breadth. I'm just giving you the same equation, the reason for you to remember. Here L means A selling it to B with what percentage of profit or loss. So B means B selling it to C with what percentage of profit or loss. Okay, in spite of L, you can write it as X plus Y plus XY by 100. That's also fine. Okay.
Yes.
So this is 10% profit means it's plus 10. So I'm not writing in front, it's just plus 10. And when I say 20% loss overall from B to C, I'm making it minus 20. So plus the length is 10 and the breadth is minus 20 whole divided by 100. Okay. So by this, we would know that 10 minus 20 is minus 10 and 1 multiplied by -2 is -2. So 10 minus 2 is minus 12. I'm getting the answer in negative. The meaning is it's 12% loss. Either with the first method, this is the second method, and this is the first method. Either case you can use it, whichever your comfort.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's fine. Dilip, is it clear for you now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Avel,
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
okay.
I can see.
Sorry.
Ashraf Naik, yes.
I didn't understand. I'm late. I'm joining late now.
You came late. It's just you were on the previous class. It's just a continuity of that.
Yes, out there, and I got the concept, but the question is very difficult to me.
Okay. See, it's just only understanding about how many people are there in the question and what they are doing. Okay. So
Okay.
A is selling it to B. B is selling it to C. This is what is the transition happening. A wants to sell it to B, B wants to sell it to C. So in that case, A to B, A is 100, selling it to B. So he brought it for 110. So B is selling it to C. So he's selling with 20% loss. That means 22 rupees less. So 22 rupees less means he got it for 88. So now the question is, what is overall percentage of profit or loss? That means from A to C, calculating it started from A, it went to B, from B, the pen is again sold to C. So it is this process has been taken place. So it is 12 less. A got it for 100 and B, C got it for 88. That means it's 12% overall loss. It can still go on. It can go for D with 10% profit. It like that, it can keep continuing. I'm just giving you 3 members so that you would be able to do it. Okay. If it goes for more members, it's better to go on with the direct method. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If it is going from C to D, let's say that it's somewhere around, okay, like 10% profit. So from C to D. So he's selling for 8.8 more. So that is 96.8. So still from A to D, it's a loss. So like that, it can keep continuing from A to B, B to C, C to D. It like that, it keeps going on. Okay, are you clear with the question? Okay, I request you all to switch off, turn off your videos. The reason, even in the live, when you are all owning your video, they are not able to see the screen. So they are only able to see you. If you can just off your video so that they can see the board clearly without any interference. Okay, thank you. So if you have any doubt, I just want you to on your mic and ask. If your mic is not in use, please mute it. Okay, fine, thank you. So any doubt with this question? Shall we go with the next one? David?
Yes, sir. I'm just coming, sir. I'm
Okay.
just from entering inside the gate, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'm just giving you the next one. Okay. I'm giving you a very simple question. Once you answer it, then we'll go on with the next. Is that okay? Same type of question. I'm giving you same kind, and I've taught you the shortcut also in those in percentage. Same logic, you're going to apply it over here. Okay, the same question, we have done it in percentage. Now we are doing it in profit and loss. Same logic to be used. Just once, just think of the logic, you will get the answer. Same question. In the percentage, we did the same. Now in the profit and loss, we are doing the same.
How do you use commodity?
As you did with the previous question. It's the same as you did with your previous question. Okay.
I'm talking. I don't even understand this.
Providence.
Yes, sir.
Providence. Yeah. Are you able to get it?
No, I'm not able to get it.
Okay.
I'm trying.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Victor, Rahul, Benjamin, Abhilashni, Chinmay, Lucas, Gospel, Abdul Rahman, Mercy, Roman, Kiran Kumar, Ismail, Dennis. Any doubts?
So he buys a pen for 100 Indian rupee and sold.
If you got your answer, you can make it in the chat.
Lost by 4%, sir.
How many? 20, 21, 20, no. 2, let me check it. No, no, no. Most of you have got 20.
5%.
21%. Okay, it's both profit. So you got 22. Some have got 22. Okay, let's check it. If both are profit, then yes, it could make with 20 or 21 or 22. Okay, so 110 selling it to B selling it to C with another 10%. That means 11. 121 he is buying. Overall profit is 21%. Yes, it's correct.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Providence, can you check your calculation? Christiana, check your calculation. Sharia is correct. Victor, answer is correct. Lucas, correct. Chinmay, correct. Imam Azin is correct. Hamil, Victor, Manuel, Abhilashni, yes, most of you are correct. That's fine. Just check your calculation, whoever got 20 or 22. Where did the 11 come from? 110 times 10%. It's given B2C is selling with 10% profit. So 10% of 110 from B2C is 11. That's the way you got the 11. So I'm adding the 11 because it's a profit. So 110 plus 11, 121. So are you clear? So, okay. Joseph, sure. See, A selling it to B. What was the cost of A when he bought it? 100, yes. So he's selling to B. When he's selling to B, what is the cost? When B purchased it, what is the cost? And what is the selling price of A?
110, sir.
100 plus 10.
Yeah. Are you clear with that, Joseph, how you get this 10? So it is given 10% profit. So we are adding up 10%. 10% of 100 is 10. So adding it. So it is 110.
110, sir.
Yeah. Next, B2C. B to C. B is selling to C with again 10% profit. So what is 10% of 110? 10%. What is 10% of 110?
It's 11.
11.
Yeah. So plus 11. So 110 plus 11. How much?
121.
Good. Yeah. So
121.
121. So overall from A to C, is it a profit or loss?
Profit. Profit.
How much profit?
21%.
21.
That's it, done. Very good. It's nice to see many are answering. It's nice. Okay, are you able to get it?
Yes, I understand it. Thank you.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's great. Okay, good. Shall we go with the next one?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. I'm just giving you the next question. So read the question carefully before you solve. If you get the answer for this question, then I can accept that you have understood the concept better. But if you don't read the question properly and you get a wrong answer, then I think we have to redo everything. Okay, I'm just clearing the board. I'm giving you the new question. Read the question twice. Again, I'm telling you, read the question twice. Try to always write it as an equation just to know that whether you're doing it right or wrong. So just make some kind of picture as I drew right now, A to B, B to C, like that. Read the question and then draw it. Don't do it without drawing. Okay, there are two cycles. This is your clue. So solve it, get the right answer. If you get it, then that is well and good. I'll give you 1 minute of time. The question is very simple, but still you have to understand the logic. Omen, that was awesome. That was correct, Kiran.
You neutralize, sir. You.
Oh, that was good, Gospel. Marizia, that's great.
No
Lucas,
percentage
no.
loss.
Lucas, check again.
No percentage loss.
Sikimuli, yes, you're right. Lucas, read the question again. Yusuf is right. Rita is right. That was good, Rita. Chinmay is right. Wow. Now it is very much satisfying. That was good. There is no profit. There is no loss. What he gave and he is getting it back. Okay. Let me solve it. Yeah. So there are 2 cycles. So let's say cycle 1. And cycle 2. Okay. Cycle 1 and cycle 2, let it have only 1 seat. That's fine. Okay. So cycle 1 is sold with 10% profit. So this cycle is sold with 10% profit. So 110. So he brought 2 cycles. So each would cost 100%. I hope you understand the meaning of that. So 2 cycles he brought it each. So 2 cycles are there. So both 100%. So total 200%. One is sold at 10% and the other cycle is sold with 10% loss. That means 90. No, Lucas.
Please, I'm no more getting you, sir.
There are 2 cycles. There are 2 cycles. One is sold with 10% profit. That means how many percentage it is?
Hello, sir.
Yes, David.
110.
110. Okay, 10% of 100 is 110.
Please, I'm no more getting you.
Joseph, there are 2 cycles. Okay. One cycle is sold with profit and the other cycle is sold with loss. Did you understand that?
Yes.
David?
Oh.
David? Okay, so let's have that. I'm the seller. I'm selling one cycle to Rita and the other one I'm selling it to David. Okay, so Rita is getting from me, that is I'm selling to her with 10% profit. So she is getting it from me for 110%. And next one is David is getting from me for 10% loss. That means I'm selling it to him with 90%. Okay, so 90% means it's gonna be 10 loss. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So
Go on.
the first person sold it for 110 and the second person got it for 90. So the rupees, or you can have it as percentage. So overall, when I calculate, I'm selling it for 110 I got 110. Next person, I'm selling it for 90 and I got 90. So total is 200. So what did I purchase? The same price, I'm getting it again. Did you get it?
Yes. Go on.
Okay, that's great. I'm just giving you next question. Any doubts? Okay, I'm just giving you the next question. Read it and then you can start solving. Okay. Just a minute. Can you see the question? Can you see the question?
Yes, sir. I can see. Yes.
Okay, I'll just give you 2 minutes of time. Read it and try. Okay, that's good. So shall we check it? So the first one is 5 candles sold for 4 rupees. Then what is the price of 1 candle? So how do you write it? I want the price for 1 candle. 5 candles, I'm sorry, purchased it for 4 rupees. So how do you write it?
It is 4 out of 5 rupees.
So 5 candles, 4 rupees. So per candle, I want what is the cost of per candle. So it is 4 divided by 5. So that will give me what is the cost of per candle. Yes, that's good. Next one, sold it for 4 candles for ₹5. So selling it 4 candles for the price of 5. Okay, now 4 candles cost is 5. You get it? So 0.80 rupees for 1 candle. When I'm selling it for 1.25 rupees per candle. So this is my purchase. Per candle it is 0.80. So here per candle it is 0.25. It's my selling price. So is it a profit or loss for me?
Profit.
Yes. So I hope you remember the concept, what we did the first question in the profit and loss. So that is, what will be the base always? What is the base always?
The cost price.
What is the base? What is called as a base?
The cost price.
Cost price, very good. So 0.80 is the base. Okay, so 0.80. I think David or somebody's mic is on. Can you please Switch it off. There is a noise. Okay. So 1.25. So how many rupees is the profit? Or how many paise is the profit? 0.
25 profit.
Yeah, 0.45 is the profit. So now I want it out of 100 percentage. So what should I do? I want it out of 100 percentage.
Multiply with 100.
Yes, that's
Times
it.
100.
See, the logic everywhere is same. You're going to use the same logic everywhere. Sure, Star. I'll just start it again. Logic everywhere is same. You just need to know how to apply it. One concept you learn, you can apply it everywhere as much as you can. Manuel, I'm muting you. Okay. Are you clear with this?
Yes, I'm clear.
Okay. So how many
Yes, sir.
percentage it is? 45 by 80. So multiplied by 100. So I think that the last Dilip's answer is right. I'll explain. Wait, Star. Let's let this finish. Iba is right. Abhilashni is right. And Miss or Mrs. D, Miss or Mr. D is right. Marisa is right. Fine. So 56.25 percentage would be the profit. I'll tell you. Can you please mute your mic? Okay. So I'll just rewrite this question. I'm just clearing it and I'll rewrite it. Just look. Any doubt, just stop me there. Yeah, I'll tell you. I hope you're able to see the question. Okay, so here the first thing is candle and the price. So 5 candles were being brought for 4 rupees. Then per candle, I want to know what is the cost of 1 candle. So it is 4 by 5 because per candle. Okay, per candle for rupees. Next is selling it for 4 candles for 5 rupees. That means for 4 candles, it is 5. So per candle, what is the cost? So for this, I'm getting 4 by 5, 0.80. And for this, I'm getting 1.25. So it's overall profit. So I'm selling 1 candle for 1.25 minus over here 1 candle for 0.80. If I subtract them both, I would be getting 0.45. Are you clear with the first step?
Yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
So it's a profit. We know it is 0.45. Is it Betty? Are you clear how it is 0.45? So whole divided by, we need something always called as a base value to find the percentage. So when I'm buying and selling something, always the base value will be the selling cost price. So that is which I'm purchasing. So that is 0.80 times 100. I'm multiplying it into 100 because I want the values between 100. So because I have to find it in percentage. So I'm getting 56 point, I'll be getting 56.25 percentage. That means I'm making a profit for each candle as 56.25 percentage. My overall profit will be 56.25. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Okay,
No,
great.
sir.
That's great. See the same question. I'll tell you a shortcut how to solve it. Just look here. Just look. Write it always like this in a box. Okay. First is the candle, or you can call it as article. Next is the rupees, the cost, or I can say currency, or in dollars, or in rupees, or in dinar, whatever it is. Okay. So candle multiplied by the rupees of the selling is just like a trick. There is not much of logic with this, but it's just a trick. I'm cross multiplying it. So 5 times, just look here, candle of the first one, price of the first one, candle of the second one, price of the second one. So I'm cross multiplying candle of the first one and price of the second one. Are you getting it?
Yes.
And candle of the second one and price of the first one. I will cross multiply it. I am cross multiplying it. Okay, so if I cross multiply, I get 25 and I'm getting 16. So I would subtract them both, whole divided by, is it a profit or loss? As we know from the question, is it a profit or loss? Yes. If it's a profit, I'm going to write the smaller number, or that is 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to write this in the base. So multiplied by 100 is just a trick. Cross multiply them. You know it's a profit, write the smaller number over here. If you know that it's a loss, write the bigger number over here. Okay. So if it's a profit in this trick of cross multiplying, profit means smaller value in the denominator, smaller number in the denominator. If it's a loss, big number in the denominator. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So times 100. So that is 25, 9 by 16 times 100. Again, you're going to get the same 26.25%. Just want to calculate it. You will not get anything else. It would be the same. See, either method, use it. I'm always teaching you 2 methods so that in case you miss out somewhere, you would be able to do the other one. Okay, this is just a trick, not much of logic. Cross multiply them, subtract it, and write the smaller value and multiply it into 100. So you will get it for these kind of questions alone. Article 2 rupees, article 2 rupees alone. Are you clear with that? If you're not comfortable with this, go with the first one. Find the price of each candle. Okay, and then multiply it into 100. The base value is the cost price times 100. You will also get the same. Is it clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
Okay, very good. Can I give you the next one?
So,
Okay, stove. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'm clearing the board. I think we have done this question. You remember? A dishonest shopkeeper attaches a magnet in the weight machine. Do you remember this question? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just giving you for the, as we go on with the next, or just for the revision purpose, just get the answer for this question. Let's go on with the next. Very easy one. A dishonest shopkeeper attached a magnet in his weight machine. Due to that, he is gaining 200 grams per kg. What is the gain percentage in cost? $20. Okay. A dishonest shopkeeper for 1,000 grams, he is selling only 800 grams. So he is taking away 200 grams. Due to that, he is gaining 200 grams per kg because of attaching a weight magnet in the weight machine. Yeah, so he is taking away 200 grams. Are you clear with that? So for every time he's weighting 1 kg, but he is removing 200 grams because of the magnet. And when you weight it, it shows 1 kg, but the actual weight is only 800 grams. So the shopkeeper is gaining 200 grams every time. Are you clear with that?
Yes.
Sorry, please this one. Sorry.
Yeah. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1000, I'm taking out 200 grams. It's just 800. It's there. Next one, the customer is getting in his hands only 800 grams, not 1 kg. So the customer thinks it's 1 kg, but he's getting only 800 grams. Are you clear with that? So how many grams is the customer losing? How many grams is the customer losing?
200 grams.
So what is it in percentage?
20%.
Good.
20%.
Tell me the fraction of 20%.
Correct answer is option B.
What
It
is the
20 out
fraction
of
of
100.
20%? 1 by 5. Yeah. If 1 by 5 percentage is loss,
If you
what
the
would be the gain?
write down the y. You have it out, then
1 by 6.
No,
1 by
1
6.
by 4.
No, 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by
Yeah.
4.
So 1 by 4. Okay, would be profit. Remember, when it is the first person is under loss, then I have to subtract with the numerator. Okay, if the first person is with gain, then I have to add with the numerator. This first person is a loss. The customer is meeting under loss. So I have to subtract with the numerator. So that is 1 by 4. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
So shopkeeper is gaining 25%.
Sir,
Are you clear with that?
sir, explain again, please.
Sure.
No, sir,
So,
not clear.
okay, so let's say that Dilip is going to shop to buy some sugar, and the shopkeeper gives you 1 kg bag of sugar, and you think that it's 1 kg, but in his weight machine he has added a magnet. Okay, so by that, when you measure it, it shows 1 kg, but the weight machine is taking away 200 grams, but the originality is only 800 grams. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See this side, what you have done, this one in the first class, they have learned a shortcut, how to do it. On basis of that, they're doing it. Okay, so it is 800 grams. The customer is getting only 800 grams in his hands, but he thinks that it is 1 kg. So the customer is losing 1 by 5. So that is 20%. So 20 divided by 100, if I solve it in the fraction, it is 1 by 5. Okay,
sir.
when I say somebody is losing something, the other person is gaining. That's the meaning. If a person is losing 1 by 5, how much he is gaining? He's gaining 1 by 4. That is 25%. So I have to subtract with the numerator. Okay, this was a trick which we have learned in the first class. In case you are new to the class, I can tell you the other way to do it. So the base value is 800. Okay, the customer is gaining every time how many kilograms? Sorry, the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper gains every time how many kilograms?
200 grams.
Out of how many kilograms? Out of how many kilograms?
1,000.
Out of 8.
Out of 800, not 1000. Out of 800, because the shopkeeper gives to the customer only 800 grams. Out of that, he's getting each and every time he's getting 200 grams. Or in the other way, I can say that the customer is getting 800 grams and he is losing 200 grams. Did you get the meaning?
No.
So
Yes, sir.
what is
Yes,
it in
sir.
percentage? So what is it is in percentage? It is 1/4. So 1/4 means 25 percentage. So which you have learned with the first class with these shortcuts. Okay. So he is gaining with 25 percentage. Okay.
Yes, understand, sir.
Good. Okay. Are you getting it, Dilip? Same concept as profit and loss. Why this question I've given you over here is this is based on profit and loss. So yeah. So cost price is 800. The base is 800 only, not 1000. But the shopkeeper thinks actually he's getting 1000. So the customer thinks actually he's getting 1000 grams, but he's getting only 800. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Are you getting it?
Sorry,
Ashok Naik?
sir. Yeah.
See, yeah,
But
200 grams is taken away from the machine by using magnet, by attaching
the
magnet
concept,
below the machine.
okay, the concept I have understood, but I have a suggestion by
Yes, please.
using the last sessions told by Imam about the percentage increase and percentage decrease, how to use them when we talk about the percentage increase and in profit and the loss, percentage increase and percentage decrease.
Yes.
For example, when we talk about somebody purchases maybe mangoes by 100 rupee
Okay.
and sold them by it increases the profit by 10%.
Okay.
So what could be the profit of the somebody which bought the mangoes by 100 rupee?
For 100 rupees, he is selling it for 10% profit. So his profit is 10%. So I think the question was not complete.
Okay.
So for 100 rupees, how many kilogram of mangoes? Is it 1 kg or 2 kg?
Per kilogram.
Per kilogram. Okay. So per kilogram, if it is 100, he's selling with 10% profit, then the new price will be 110.
Okay.
Okay. I think the question would not be this. The question could be, I'll just tell you what would be the question. For 100 rupees, he purchased 1 kg mango and he's selling it for the same 100 rupees. He would be like selling less, or let's say that for 110 rupees, if he's selling for 1 kg, it's just 10%. That's all. It's so easy. So now in this, they may ask, what is the profit rupees? It's 10 rupees profit. Or they might have asked, for the same 100 rupees, if he is selling 800 grams, is it a profit or loss?
Okay.
So 100 rupees, he brought 1 kg. Now while selling for 100 rupees, he's selling 800 grams. So is he making with the profit or loss?
Profit.
So how many percentage of profit?
20%.
So before it was 100 rupees for 1 kg.
20%.
Now it is
20%.
100 rupees for 800 grams.
20%.
Yeah. Okay. So before it was per kg. Now if I calculate for 1 kg, so what would be the cost? For 1 kg, the cost would not be same. It would have been increased by 12.5. So the cost of new one for per kg is 112.5. So he's gaining a profit of 12.5. Did you get it?
Okay, get it.
This is what the question you would have had. Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. They might have given 800 grams, or he might sell at 700 grams or whatever. So whatever is the concept, very simple. You have to remember is if he is selling it for 800 grams for 100 rupees, So what you have to do, how to find the profit is 100 is equal to 800 grams selling price. If he is selling for same, for in spite of 100 grams, 800 grams, if it is for 1000 grams, what is the price? So I have to cross multiply. Okay. So 1000 divided, 1000 divided by 8. So 25. Compared with 100, it is 25 more. Are you understanding how to cross
Yes.
multiply it?
Yes.
25 by 100. So that is 25% profit. So this is what the question you have had.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Are you clear with that? Okay. Got it.
Yes.
Good. Any other doubts? No. Okay.
No doubt.
I'm just clearing. Okay. I'm just clearing the board, giving you the next one. So can you see after this concept, Joseph, whatever the questions you have, just give it. Let us all solve it so that it might be your test model questions. You can solve it. Okay, Joseph, have your questions ready. Okay, mark price of an article. So here something is given as marked price. So like this, you may have a term called as list price. Okay, or you might have it's just the same like whatever the term we use for the selling price and cost price, but this has, yeah, we'll check it. So this has some meaning with the main name of mark price. That means it is labeled. I don't know whether it is a profit or loss. List price meaning is I have different items. Let's take a computer, a keyboard, a CPU, and a mouse and a speaker, and all these are individually being priced, and together a total value is given. That's called as list price. But in your questions, you don't go so detailed. We have to remember the mark price and the list price could act as cost price or selling price. Okay, the mark price and selling price can act as a cost price or selling price. Can you tell me what is the percent? What is the percentage of cost price always? What is the percentage of cost price always? What is the percentage value of cost price always?
100%.
100.
Yes. So always it is 100. So it can be 100. Yeah. So selling price always in percentage, what it is? Selling price in percentage is always what it is?
20%. 100%.
Manuel. Manuel, please mute yourself. Okay. So selling price will be always either 100 plus or 100 minus. Yes, yes, Peter.
Sir,
Anita, any doubt?
price will be
Peter?
24.
Fine. See, here, as I said you, just a basic concept. When I get the term called as mark price, it can be the cost price or it can be selling price. It can be anything. Are you clear with that?
Yes.
Are you clear? Okay.
Yes.
So now I'm just muting you all. There's some background noise. I'm sorry. Okay. So the selling price could be 100 plus or 100 minus. Cost price is 100. Okay. So the mark price can be cost price or it can be selling price. It can be anything. So if you have this understanding, you'd be able to easily solve this. It's just only the logic. So mark price of an article is 120 with 20% profit. Then this 120 is how many percentage? is with 20% profit
Yes, 20%.
or 20% profit? Is with the 20% profit. $120 is with 20% profit. Then that 120 mark price is how many percentage?
This 100.
It's not
120%.
100. It's 120. Yes, correct. That's good. See, mark price is 120 with 20% profit. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So it is
Yes.
with 20% profit. So it could not be 100. It is going to be 120. So 120 rupees is equal to 120%. So they're asking to find what is the cost price.
96.
What is the cost price in percentage?
100.
Yes. So find it for what is 100. Are you clear with the question?
It's a 0 point.
Yes.
Right.
X, or you can make it as question mark. Yes, Peter.
24.
No. No.
100.
100. See,
100.
120 is equal to, 120 is equal to 120%. Then 100% is equal to 100. That's all. You will not get 96 or 144. You will not get it. Are you clear with that? Peter, are you getting it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Francis, I'm just stopping your video. Yes. Rita?
Yes.
Rita, any
Yes.
doubts? Shall we go with the next? Okay.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, gospel. Okay, I'm just clearing the screen.
I got 100 result last answer.
Yes, that's the answer.
Okay. Can anyone quickly answer for my questions? And there is nothing to add. See, it's given with profit. So 120 is equal to 100 plus 20. Doesn't make any sense with the plus sign. It's so
Okay. Yes, yes.
Everyone.
The matter of network is very challenging. So challenging.
Who is the host?
Please, I'm not more seeing the screen, sir.
Who is the host? Can you please change for myself?
The network is so challengeable today.
Please do mute yourself. It's disturbing a lot. D. Can you please turn me to host? Make it fast.
Can't hear you again. I can't see you.
We never see you, our instructor. We never see you.
I can't.
Who's the D? Can you please turn me to host? Make it fast.
Sir, we can't see the screen. We can't see.
Please, sir, what is the man doing? It's disturbing me, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
The person with the host has to change me. Can you make it quick? The person D. There's no full name. Please do make it quick. Okay, until then in the chat, I'll just give you one question. Okay. I'll just make you the question clear.
Okay.
Hi, Dharmadev.